Hey everybody, I'm Greg Woods. Welcome to Impact Marble Racing. They go. Misty. Opening event of the brand new tournament, Impact Marble Racing. And will we see even harder impacts this time down? Moving around to the side there, Yella. Also in good position. Goes to the middle on a run down to the line. It's going to be a photo finish, and Yella does it. Mellow Yellow. Gate quivers under them, and finally they are released. Down they go. And let's see where this shakes out. Stay in the longest.
I don't really feel like it.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
God fucking damn it.
Disgusting!
Is shadowed right behind by Shiny of the Shining Swarm. Shiny, the Shining Swarm. Rozzy comes in third.
Oh, fuck you.
Bo Uno, Sublime, and Velocity. Down we come and I get our first look at this course, and it looks like the left spiral, by our view, is the quicker of them. Oh, there goes Firo. Shot out of a cannon coming off of those. And Firo is going to make it to the bottom well in front of everybody else. Who comes next? Several marbles overshoot, and it's Kinnowan, who comes through in second. And 3 marbles to go. Oh, hard hit there from the Thunder.
How can anyone hate the race?
Oh, God, they trying to drown me in this hole! I cannot see! A nigga, goddamn!
Anytime you're talking about a new series and the opportunity to be the first ever champion.
Congratulations, you're a failure.